bit, I remember the time that I taught a school assembly. And what it actually fell under the category of a school assembly. However, I set up in the gym. I set up from 9 to 2, and over 480 students moved in sessions of about 45 students at a time, and I taught them social skills. And this was for a school that was K through 5, and the principal wanted the entire school to get the same information. She named the program Conscious Conduct, and it was an initiative of hers for 2 years. Read today's article about the details, and yes, you can do this too. I promise you, your community needs you. Children need these valuable skills. Also, you'll find a link to a Wall Street Journal article that talks about how they divided boys into two groups back in the 1980s. One group had social skills, the other did not. And the results will not surprise you. Thank you so much for considering joining our Manners movement, and we are here for you when you are ready.